Our finest days lie ahead, folks. So welcome to the Daily Space Weather. Congratulations on realizing that the channel exists. We've got, once again, some spectacular imagery of El Sol, Helios, the closest star, the local yellow dwarf, the sun, whatever you'd like to call it. Sunspot 2965 is looking quite interesting indeed. It has the potential to produce major solar flares. Here's a close-up of it, having just risen over the northeastern limb. It's at a quite high latitude also, meaning it's quite close to the pole, meaning solar cycle 25 is still in its infancy. Here's the southern hemisphere. Huge sunspot right in the Earth-facing zone at the moment here. That's sunspot 2960. Also, we've got some filamentary activity down here. We've also got your colorized magnetogram. We show it on the regs. One of the best ways to see where there are active regions. So we've seen mostly stable sunspots here over the past 24 hours. These groups down here have grown a little bit, as you can probably see. The radio flux is at 115 solar flux units. And there's the one-year chart to put it in context. This black line is the radio flux. Red line is the sunspot number. And a space weather enthusiast dashboard forecasting a little bit of geomagnetic unrest later tonight on March 10th and early tomorrow on March 11th. So looking at about 9 hours there of expected geomagnetic unrest. We may see aurorae. Make sure you follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/smashomash. We're also seeing an extended 7 magnitude earthquake drought. No 7 magnitude earthquakes since January 12th, it looks like, something like that. So quite a lot. We're well overdue for a 7 magnitude quake. Let's see what's been shaken over the past 24. Taiwan saw a 5.2. It looks like nothing over a 6 magnitude here, folks. I think the largest of the past 24 was that 5.5 in the South Sandwich Islands. There was also a 5.0 near the Galapagos. So several earthquakes in southern Alaska there. Shout out to our viewers from Alaska. Indonesia saw a 5.1. And let's continue on to volcanoes as Mount Manam has produced another 50,000-foot volcanic ash plume. There's quite a close-up image there of some lava fountaining, perhaps too close for comfort. You can practically feel the heat coming through that photograph. So another stratospheric eruption there from Mount Manam. Topping out the list here, we've got Subanose-jima exploding flight level 080. It's an 8,000-foot volcanic ash plume. 50,000-foot ash plume from Manam, drifting west from Papua New Guinea. Now Ibu back on the list as well. That's on Indonesia's Isle of Halmahera, flight level 070 as Ibu explodes. It's a 7,000-foot ash plume. Semeru on East Java, Indonesia, flight level 145. It's a 14,500-foot plume of volcanic ash as Semeru explodes. Fuego featuring explosions from Guatemala. Guatemala featuring explosions from Fuego, I guess you could say. Flight level 170 from Fuego. It's a 17,000-foot ash plume. Nevado del Ruiz exploding. That's in Colombia. Flight level 240 from Nevado del Ruiz. Sangay exploding. Flight level 190. Please don't pole vault the caldera. Please do pick up some merch. It's well designed as a public service message to tell your friends and foes both about the channel as well as about a message of positivity. If you're going through hell, keep going. Our finest days lie ahead, folks. So don't pole vault the caldera. Do visit the links below the video. You can find them in the description, as well as at smashomash.com. Thanks to everybody who supports the channel. Congratulations on realizing we exist, and may that solar wind be at your back.